This aspect of the display is the artist's interpretation of Jiangshi. Yes, that's a coffee machine. That's not a Jiangshi waking up. I'll do a still image of this later on. I'll do a walkthrough right now of the images, so you have an idea what's going on. There are artists here. Wait, let me show here so you can understand. This altered realities Jiangshi Introspection is split into two parts. First wave on exhibition now are from these artists, and the second wave will come later part on 21st of October, keeping the exhibition fresh. And from today we will see images from these folks today. Less commentary for me because a lot of conversations going on right now. So it might not be fair. Maybe you don't want to hear me talking too much. It's from clock 2. I'm going to talk anyway. If you can't hear me, this will be music overlay later on. If I ever do edit this and put onto my YouTube. This is clock 2's digital printout, Macasol style version of Jiangshi. Huge, man. Yes, for sale. 5,500. Nice. This is Alison Lowe's. And this is from Holy Crap SG. You might have seen this on preview in Daniel's Instagram page. Above this one as well is previewed on Daniel's Instagram page. From Red King. Nice lah. Hardcore, man. Oh, this is the first time I've seen this. This is from Inktense. This is Inktense contribution. Very nice. Let me see. Can I see? Yeah. Street. And this trio of images. No doubt from Eric Cartoon. Let me see. Is it Eric Cartoon? Correct. One hell of a night. Eric Cartoon's contribution. The trio of prints.